Hello guys, yan, it's Mother's Day today. So yan, ito tayo sa work ko. So happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mothers dyan sa buong mundo. Alright? So since nandito tayo sa trabaho, so babatiin natin yung mga mothers natin kasama sa trabaho, okay? So, eto, una nating babatiin. Happy Mother's Day, Irma!
Thank you!
Happy Mother's Day! Okay, so ayan guys, meron pa tayo isang babatiin. Ayan, si Aiza. Happy Mother's Day, Aiza!
Thank you, Kuya!
Happy Mother's Day! And ito pa, isa pa natin babatiin. Happy Mother's Day, Luz! Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day!
Oh, yeah, thank you!
Yeah! So ito pa ating babatiin na isang Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! Okay, so isa pa, ito pa ang babatiin. Hello! Okay, Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! Okay, so ito pa kasi babatiin. Happy Mother's Day, Tita!
Thank you,
Happy
Kuya.
Mother's Day! Ay, babatiin natin ng Happy Mother's Day. Hey, Daddies! Happy Mother's Day, Daddies! Happy Mother's Day! Meron pa tayong babatiin na isang mother dito sa trabaho ko. Okay, here we go! Happy Mother's Day, Ophelia! Happy Mother's Day! So ayun guys, sabati na natin yung mga sama ko sa trabaho ng Happy Mother's Day. And ngayon naman, babatiin ko naman ng Happy Mother's Day, siyempre yung aking family. So, unang-una na Happy Mother's Day sa aking asawa. Happy Mother's Day, dear. And to my mother, yan, na nasa Canada, may sister, may niece, Sydney, Happy Mother's Day. And my sister-in-law in the Philippines, Arlene, Happy Mother's Day. And to all my aunties, yan, dito sa San Francisco, sa Seattle, ayan, Happy Mother's Day sa inyo lahat. And good day and enjoy your day. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. Bye. God bless.